the eighth sum. 23,45,678 plus 9,87,654. So how do we write this? 23,45,678 plus, is this correct? No. Since it is 9 lakhs, we will begin from the lakhs place. 9,87,654. Let's calculate. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write 2 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. Write 3 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. Write 3 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write 3 below, carry over 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3 is below, carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. There is nothing here, so 0. So what is the answer? The answer to your 8th sum is 33,33,332.